Hey guys, Kai from Viking Bushcraft here. Happy New Year, by the way. Today I'm going to do a pocket dump, so you can see what I carry on me every day, not just when I'm out in the woods. You can see my card holders and cell phone case. No, I don't have many cards in this one, as you can see, but nor do I have many cards in here. So thinking about switching one of them out. Now I have a nice little #1 lighter, just as reliable as a big, but it's a little bigger. I sport a Leatherman skill tool every day. Besides my woods knife, that is actually my favorite one. I also sport in winter time this as a Eclipse Tactical, which has about 500 lumens. And there's my keychain. I have a couple of things like this small little multi-tool with a knife, a straight edge screwdriver, button opener, and I think that's an emergency cutting tool. And this little doohickey, which is a pry bar screwdriver, and I actually have no idea what these are for. I've never been across a nut that's that small. Oh, sorry. That small in daily life. So anyway, that is my current EDC. Some things will be swapped out, like these two. Sometimes I only carry this, sometimes I carry this, and sometimes I carry both. But this will be removed during the summer. I have no use for it. But these two always on my person. Well, this or my Zippo or something else. Always carry at least one lighter on me, sometimes two. Well, anyway, that is my current EDC. I hope you liked it, and as you can see, this is minimal. Anyway, you guys have a nice one, and see you on the next video. See you on the trail, guys. Bye.